Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Oneplus case cover. It has a magnetic car mount bracket shell. It's compatible with the 12R 5G CPH 2609. Alright, so today we've received our case. So this case here is offered in 3 different colors. You've got blue right here, you've got black, and you also got red. So this one is compatible with the brand new OnePlus 12R. This one is a super nice case. It does not come with a glass protector, but it does come with a magnetic car mount bracket shell, which is compatible with the 12R 5G. So this is what it looks like on the side. It's very nice. It is a soft TPU interior and exquisite exposure to texture. It has a hard PC and TPU, provides shock and scratch resistant. It is very durable. It does come with literally 3 pieces. You've got the magnetic ring in the back, you've got the back part, you've got the front part, although it does not have a glass protector, but I did buy one. But you can see right here it is covering the whole entire phone. It did take a little bit to put it on because you got to snap these things in the back into this back part. So the top part right here just slides right in here, and then you just pop it in. So this is a super nice case. I like the fact that it does come with a 360-degree swivel kickstand, and it also magnetizes to your car. So the back part is magnetized on the kickstand. This is a very nice case. If you have a OnePlus 12R brand new, I would highly recommend checking this one out. They do offer it in 3 colors. You've got black, blue, and red.